All right, we got gold. Today is Wednesday. Let's check it out. Let's see what gold got going on today. I got sometimes. Only gonna take like 5 minutes. So let's look what happened. I'm gonna do a recap Friday. That's what I'm gonna do Friday. So I'm gonna just save it till then. I was popping that gold. Let's make our predictions. What's going on? Oh, look at that previous zone up there. Look at that. Price touched it and shot down. So let's pull out the Fibonacci right here. It shot out right there. Okay. It's not touching it. So resistance, there's a level here. It's basically a double bottom. So this price went up. Created that, created that, created that. Sideways. That's an M. So it's gonna go down. That's my prediction. So there's a level right here. Bam. It's a level right here. I don't like drawing too many. What is this? Is this a fair value gap? Right there? No. It's a level, that's it. That's all the squares I'm gonna draw. Check the 1 hour, what's going on. So yeah, matches up. Price touched that point, went up, touched the top point. So it's just going sideways, really. Where is it at? It's right there. This price went up, shot down, hit this point. Shot up here, got knocked down. So it's just going sideways, sideways, sideways. I believe it's gonna probably go back here and touch this point. What's happened to the left? I feel like there's some level of demand right there. Every time price, like right there. Can I draw? No, I took that off. So I believe it's gonna touch this bottom part and touch this top part again. So that's my market prediction. So I'm gonna put a right there. Touch that bottom part. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in my liquid broker and set that up. That's my prediction. Can I raise this up? No. Huh. I got 5 minutes. So that's my market prediction. So a price comes in at, this is 1 hour, by the way. I looks at it 1 minute. Yeah, it's gonna break through, break down. So can I lift this up? So price into this part, it's gonna break through. This price right there, it's gonna break through, retest it. I should wait. So that means I should wait. It's gonna retest it. Hell, might have come through here, fake everybody out, and then just drop down. So I'm gonna wait for the retest and just see what goes on from there. So that's the 1 minute. What the 5 minutes look like? Yeah, basically the same. So is this a buy limit, a buy order? No, it's a sell right there. That's my prediction. So what price is at? Price is at here. So I'm putting my sell stuff at, I'm comfortable with 485. Scared money don't make money, so I'm gonna, like I said, it's a demo account, so I really don't care if I lose it or not. I have had funded accounts, which I blew recently. Oh, that sucks. I was so pissed off. So pissed off. I should already have one open, yeah. Remove you. You have my clarity. I had like 3 minutes to go. Does it show it? Yeah, fell and failed. Pissed me off. Alright. right, we come back to that later. I'm gonna probably get another one. Probably not by them, because I'm tired of throwing away $100 just to do them. Demo count. So we are at how much? Of course, my lot size should be a lot smaller than 1 or whatever this is. So this is what price is at. 10. Hell no. Whoa there. What did I miss? What's going on? Bro. This is why we need to make sure our stuff is off. When did this happen? See, that's what I'll be talking about. So we'll start the day off with a minus 1600. Ain't that great? Ain't that great? I didn't even know. I didn't even turn it off, did I? I did not turn it off. So I gotta be careful with these pending ones. I gotta make sure all of them are off. What's going on here? Lots, price. I'm gonna do a sell limit. Is that it? There we go. Get me in at this point here. Take profit down here. Yeah, give me a stop loss here. Damn. That's wild. That is weird. Wild. Oh, it's on a buy. It's supposed to be a sell. There we go. So sell me here. We got 1 minute, so let's place it. Let's increase it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm alright. I'm alright. I'll put in the second one then. Can I put in the second one? I am in already. Click sell. I don't even have enough to do 10. Minus 1. Bam. Sell. Can I get in? I can't. How about 0.5? I get in at 0.5? No, I can't. Okay, I'm cool. Magically lost 1600 off the rip. So I'm gonna catch this big push south and I'm gonna call it a day. Where are we at? 15. Oh, you gonna reverse on me? Touch it, go back down. Where my stop loss at? 900? Damn, should we keep it there? Like I said, I'm expecting a pullback like that. Will you knock me out? Do I gotta fight my way back to 5,000 again? Where's this at? Ooh. Alright, we already got our stuff in. It's Friday. Alright, this is where we are at. This is it? Is this it? What's going on? Alright, there we go. Basically, my stop loss should be up above here. This price is trying to touch this and get knocked down. That's the hope. Delete these yellow lines. Unless it wanted to reverse on me. Come on, only been like 2 minutes. Come on, give me back my 16. I'm not really expecting to make 16. I'll be just happy just get back to 5,000 where I originally started from. Come on, keep on dropping. I'm gonna stay in the 15 minutes because here is too much going on. And that's where the emotional trades come in at, because like it's a lot of movement here. Oh, let me get in, let me get out, let me get in, let me get out. It's non-stop. Two seconds, new candle, bam. There we go. Check the 5 minutes. So that's 2 minutes for this candle. They'll be like, oh, we about to break 6,000. Not today. Not today. So I'm looking at overall, which is the 15 minutes. Yeah, I can bring my stop loss down. Let me get you a short take profit of 300. Bam, get me in right there. Let's put your stop loss at right there. And let's bring this stop loss down. There's no reason to have it up that high. Kapow. 7. Come on, hit my first TP, get me out. In case you know a quick reversal, it happens. Like it might be a big ass green candle out the blue, and that pisses me off. I'll be like, damn, I didn't have no stop loss or anything. So what's going on TradingView? It's easier to see it. That's why I can rarely see it on the liquid broker itself. So price came up, touch it. So price should go down. What's going on to the left? Price, yeah, it's gonna go down. It's still going down. Look at that long wick. The sellers are, there we go. Keep pushing down. Give me a stronger push south. Overall red. Still red. Red. Or I can just take my little 500, call it a day. Alright. It's a long wick. Buyers are pushing. They fighting. Because I'm looking left right there. See that other green candle? Then it went straight red. So I'm not worried about it. The buyers are fighting, but they're not winning. If it makes that candle, I'm just going to get out. Like legit. Like that right there. Is it called a doji or something? Check the 1 minute. It's popping down there. How it looks. So it's building up. It's trying to grow. It's trying to grow. So let's just take our win. Let's get that 150. Yeah, just get out for right now. And let's wait. Let's just wait. I think I can do 1.5. I'm trying to get my money back. I was putting a sell order. Clear that off. Take profit. Clear that off. Give me a right under price. A little bit under. Give me a good take profit and a stop loss above it. Should be about right. Can I get to 1.5? Can I do 0.5? 1.5. But this, like on my funded account, I was doing like 0.001 type stuff. So price is gonna go up. I'm just waiting. How much is this? Quick 1,000, 70 pips. Stop loss is at 500. Let's see what happens. We'll check the big picture at 15 minutes. Waiting for that strong push down. I should move it a bit. I don't want to be exactly under it. So it's going sideways. It could reverse. Yeah, that's too close. Come on, move. Here, I'm gonna stop loss. None. Move you out my way. Move you right here. Let me go to the 15 minutes so I know exactly where to put it. Right under it. So if price do move, it gotta be a big ass jump for it to move. Give me at the last time it was down there. I only trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, and Fridays, and I'm off on Fridays. Like, stay away from the market on Fridays. So I want to make 1,200, so I'm gonna risk 500 on it. So I'm just waiting then. Just waiting, see how this looks. Yeah, you see that candle? That means indecisiveness. So price is about to actually just go up, but it might touch that zone and get stopped out. Because what's left of it? That. I guess they're trying to get to this area here, which is what? Huh. What's happening in the 1 minute? So price is, yeah, going back up. Price initially, what time was that? 8 o'clock? Yeah, basically 8 o'clock. Bam, shot up, touched it. That's one touch, went down. Trying to figure itself out. Try to probably touch it again. That's when I go for the sell. Oh, well, there, you get right there. That's why I don't like that yellow line. Why it's not fixed? Auto. There we go. So it's forming a green candle in the 15 minutes. So it was a market manipulation. So I might be looking for a buy going off this candle. That candle, ATR candle size. That was a huge market. They wanted to push a sell. Let's put a buy order. See, it does that. It be like that. I don't need that. Take profit. Don't need that. Price want to reverse on me. That being right here. The last high and the previous low. Lace. It'd be these random rocket pushes that I'll be like, damn. And by the time I jump in, it's over. So this be like, okay, let me get in and out then. So it's touching that resistance zone on my trading stuff. That's all you do. That's all you. Alright. Alright. What you got? Alright, we got a strong rejection. There we go. There's the push. Let's see how strong this push is. Could be a fake out. That's why I put my like that. I'm gonna watch TradingView on my other phone so I can keep this up. I'm just waiting. You strong enough to reach my get in point? If it's not strong enough to get down there, I'm not worried about it. That's a long wick at the bottom. Buyers are still in it. They haven't given up yet. So higher, low, lower, high. So that's a lower high. It could be a low high, and this can be a turn of an uptrend. That depends where this candle breaks at. If it goes below the previous low, okay, we're in the seller's market. Like I said, I don't like watching 1 minute. Let me hop into 15. So now it's indecisive. So price might actually just decide to go up. I'm looking left. Last time price was here, it went up, but it shot straight down. All right, what is this then? Okay, what is this? Oh, so that what that do? Okay. What this do? I'm still learning this app. There's the indicators, price style. If you want to do anything, I might draw something. Close. Can I draw? No. All right, new 15 minutes. You gonna give me a strong push down or a strong push up? Oh gosh, all of these niggas, bro. I could just be happy, be honest. I made my little profit minus that earlier mistake. I didn't know I was even in. I get a notification sent to my phone and to my email letting me know, hey, you have entered a trade or something like that. I ain't even getting no notification. Let me check though. I've been on my phone most of the day. Let me check my Gmail. Gmail, I check it every 5 minutes, it seems. Indecisive, indecisive. Nope. Huh. Oh, that's Trade Locker that does it. Wish they had their own app, but they don't. So going on in the hour, really. You see that tall wick on top? So it look like the buyers are trying to get inside. Looking a little bit up, up, down, 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 up, down. I'm looking left. I don't really see it. Really, I should just call it a day. I ain't gonna sit here for no hour just waiting for something to happen. But I told myself, just be patient. Be patient. Yesterday, I did end the video. I was like, all right, ain't nothing happening. Then I checked my phone and it started to happen. Got my account up 700. Now I'm negative 700 something. This is a demo account, but I treat this like a funded account, which I might probably do that next week. Just restart and treat it like it was a funded account. Ugh. Is this a strong enough push downward to get me into the deal? What you got? There we go. We got some type of push. Are you strong enough to get me in, though? 15 seconds. So it did create a new lower low. So yes, it's going to be strong enough to get me in. Why wait when you can just hop in? And put in my stop loss like right there. Bam. Give me a good time. Or the close. Give me a good take profit of here. Bam. Let's see how far you go. So you can go bye-bye. I can close you off. Man, 500? I don't want to lose 500. If price, I'm going to stop you at like 3 right there. Bam. If it stops me out, I'm done for the day. Try again tomorrow in the morning. And then next week, I'm going to treat it like a funded account. Are you strong enough to give me a push down? You want to start reversing. I know it's going to go down, so I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait. Give me you right here. Bam. Just got to wait. That's 900. You got to go down here. I'm at the 1 minutes. That's why I'm making these extras. If I look at the 15, it's a different story. What's going on in 5? Yeah, price is dropping. So that's $1.50 per pip, or 150 a pip. So it's $1.50 a pip then. Once I get to a good amount, I'm not gonna wait for TP. That's just there. That's where I want. But let's be realistic. Just get me out at 600. I'm risking 900 to make 600. That's not right. 300, like I said. I'm getting kind of close to 300 right now. I mean, they got these. Yeah, just stick to what you got going on. Let's move you here and let's wait. I don't feel like babysitting these thingies. Like, I might make a rule. Nothing. Well, I could have got in early, but I didn't. Yeah, I got out of it. That's 400. Oh, damn. Oh, I'm at 8. Okay. What you got? Come on, get him out of here. Oh, damn. I should get out early before this does explode. It made a lower low, so price went up, shot down, made a low high, made a lower low, then a low high, then a lower low. So I just gotta wait. Just wait. Like, these greens not even strong greens. These are micro greens. That's what I call them. Oh my gosh. Should have just took my little 200 and call it a day. price hit my stop loss, I'm done. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. How much is that? That would be at 8. I highly doubt it's gonna hit 8. Once they get like, I'm out of there. Stop watching this. That's one thing I need to do. Stop watching the small picture. Watch the big picture. This is the big picture. There we go. I would not even be in this trade yet because it would hit my initial sell stop. All right, is this what we're looking for? I can take my little $60, go inside, call it a day. All right, 200. There's the push I'm looking for. There we go. Lightweight, lightweight. Take your 200, take your 300. We can move. I like a trailing stop loss. Like, bring your stop loss down. I'll be watching YouTubers and they be like, they up a couple thousand and then they lose everything. I'm like, move your stop loss down. 600. Yeah, I'm good at 200. So I'm not losing a day. I don't mind making 200. I'll be done regardless. See, indecisiveness. The buyers want to come in. You gonna stop me out? I'm happy with 200. I like that. Initials minus 1600. I didn't even know. I didn't even know I was in a damn trade. So price is gonna reverse. Get me out. Well, let's see. How much is my profit? 192. I'm happy with that. Let's see what happens. Buyers just took that candle out. Check the big picture. Let's check the big picture. What's going on here? Reconnect. Whoa there. That took me out. I'm done for the day. That's it.